Hello, this is AJ from GeoPath. Welcome to the third segment in the Foundational Concept series. Today we are covering the terms GRPs and TRPs and talk about how they are used. Out of all the media terms in advertising measurement, GRPs and TRPs can be the easiest to misunderstand. But don't worry, they are a simple calculation based on impressions in universe base. And after watching this video, you will be a whiz at calculating them. GRPs and TRPs are a way to quantify the number of exposures, which are impressions, as a gross percentage of a specific population. Using GRPs makes it easier to plan and buy any media. It is a metric planners and advertisers use to compare media within and across channels and markets. It's a simple formula that takes the universe impressions and divides it by the universe population. For example, if we have 12 million impressions with a population of 8 million adult 18 plus population, that would equate to 150 GRPs. And 150 GRPs are 150% of the universe base. So what does that mean? GRPs and TRPs can be greater than 100%, and that's because just like impressions, GRPs and TRPs account for duplication of exposures. To clarify, GRPs and TRPs are slightly different, but the terms are often used interchangeably. Officially, GRPs, gross rating points, measure an adult 18 plus universe, while TRPs, target rating points, measure a demographic, such as adults 18 through 49. We will be using both terms throughout this discussion. Just like impressions, GRPs and TRPs can be added across out-of-home formats as well as other media, as long as the universe base is the same. This allows clients to compare and evaluate the media weight of a campaign in a standardized way. Let's talk about media weight. It's a term used to refer to the size of an audience and the number of ad placements. It has both unique number of people reached as well as the duplicated exposures. It's a common advertising trading currency and gives a comparative means of valuation. GRPs and TRPs are a shorthand measure of the total amount of exposures, and clients use this metric more often than even impressions. That's because GRPs allow planners and advertisers to understand the media weight across markets as a standard representation of that market's universe. Let's look at two very different sized markets, Salt Lake City and New York City. The adult 18 through 49 population in New York is more than 6 times the size of Salt Lake City. If the advertiser or planner has decided that they want to achieve 200 TRPs or reach a media weight of 200% of the target audience, they will have to buy very different impression quantities to deliver that weight level in these two markets. With GRPs and TRPs, we can set a goal across all sizes of markets. GRPs and TRPs are the basis for most media's cost parameters. Planners and advertisers are used to working with GRPs to develop budgets and as the foundation for communication goals. GRPs are a known, fundamental, derivable measure of the advertising weight bought, and they allow that weight to be compared across media. The client bought 200 GRPs of TV and 75 GRPs of out-of-home for a total of 275 GRPs. GRPs also tie directly into reach and frequency, which are explained further in the fourth Foundational Concepts video segment. Things to remember. Gross rating points and impressions are interrelated. On one side we have impressions, which are the number of times an ad has been exposed to a universe, and on the other side we have GRPs and TRPs, which convert those impressions to a percentage of our universe. Remember that the universe is the population of the group being measured and needs to be identified prior to evaluating any other metrics. Thanks for watching this video. Please continue with Reach and Frequency, video 4 of our Foundational Concept series. If you have any questions or comments, please reach out to geekout@geopath.org.